Hello and welcome to my lesson. Today we're going to learn something new and let's get started. The jam tastes great. Which jam or what kind of jam tastes great? So now what we're going to do here is we're going to give some more information with another word. The strawberry jam tastes great. So now what has happened here is that I have given some more information with another word, which is strawberry, and it comes before the word jam. So now we're being more specific. Jam is a noun and strawberry is another noun. A noun is describing another noun and they're placed next to each other. Therefore, in this case, you can say that this is an apposition. That's what today's topic is about, the apposition that happens between nouns. Apposition means placing two nouns together such that it gives more information. Even noun phrases can also be placed near each other. Strawberry jam, a favorite spread, is enjoyed by everyone. In this sentence, you find that there is a noun phrase in the beginning, which is the strawberry jam. So that is a noun phrase. And we've got another noun phrase in commas, which is a favorite spread. So over here you see that favorite is an adjective and spread is the noun. You can say that the favorite spread is another noun phrase. So you find that this is a noun phrase apposition happening. There is one phrase that is followed by another noun phrase. This is the apposition that happens between noun phrases. Now let's take a look at some of the appositions that are usually seen in daily writing. Famous chef Polly Parker won the award. So what can you say about the sentence? Can you find the noun phrases here that are in apposition? The first phrase would be famous chef. Famous and chef, they are a noun phrase taken together. Whereas the next noun phrase is Polly Parker. That is also another noun phrase. So you find that there is apposition between these phrases as they are placed next to each other. Next type is Polly Parker, the famous chef, won the award. So over here you find that Polly Parker is a more specific term. It's a specific noun phrase and it's followed by the famous chef. So you find that there is a determiner and then it's followed by a noun phrase, which is famous chef. This is a more general term. So this is another kind of apposition. It can be written in this way as well. And the last apposition of noun phrases is the vice versa of the previous apposition. The famous chef Polly Parker won the award. So over here you find that the determiner is placed in the beginning of the sentence and it refers to a general phrase, a general term. It is not being specific. Whereas it is followed by a more specific noun phrase, which is the name of the chef, which is Polly Parker. Polly and Parker are two nouns, they are proper nouns. Both these names, they refer to a single person, the same person. Therefore, it can be referred to as an apposition. So these are the three ways in which you find the apposition of the noun phrases. I hope that this lesson has been useful to everyone. Stay tuned to another lesson on another topic. Till then, take care and bye-bye.